Hi everyone, and welcome to another full scope tutorial. In a previous video, we showed you how to create an email sequence using the automation tool. So this is where you set up a series of emails that go out automatically every day or every week or every month for a certain amount of time that you define in the automation itself. And this is great for a bunch of different circumstances in your business, maybe adding people to a welcome sequence when they first subscribe to your newsletter, something like this. But what if you want to create an email sequence and then add all of your existing contacts to the sequence rather than have that sequence activated by a trigger like someone submitting a form or something like this? How do you plop a group of your contacts, maybe your subscribers or your customers, into a sequence so that you can, for example, promote an upcoming sale or an upcoming new product or service that you're going to offer? How do you do that? I'm going to show you how, and it's super easy, dead simple. All you have to do is come up to your contacts, and then we just need to select who we want to add to this email sequence that we've created. So I'm just going to select a couple random people here. You can select them individually, or you can, of course, navigate to one of your smart lists. I don't have a smart list in this test account, but if you've organized people by a subscriber tag or by their customer status, things like this, then you can just go there and then select all of them with the checkbox at the top. And then if you select all records, it will take everyone from that entire list. So let's just do that since I'm talking about it right now. Whoever you selected, whether it's one person or 1,000 people, just select them all and then go up to this robot icon. And as you can see, when you hover over it, it says Add to Automation. We're going to click that here. We're going to read this quick little warning and then proceed. And then we have this super easy setup where we just need to first select a workflow. So I'm going to select the email sequence that I set up. And then I need to just say, hey, do I want to add all of these contacts to that workflow right now? Do I want to perhaps maybe schedule this so that they all go into the workflow at a specific time, maybe the first of the next month, or today at 5 p.m., whatever it might be. And of course, if you have a bigger list, you can also add them in drip mode, so that especially if you're sending a bunch of email all at once, if you have a couple thousand people on your list, then you want to follow some email best practices and drip it out in batches so that the email providers don't flag you as spam. I'm just going to click Add All at Once to keep it easy. And then just below that, we need to add a description so that we can then identify this action in the system when we want to check up on it later. So I'll just say I'm adding all contacts to email sequence. And then all you have to do is click Add to Automation, and it will take all of our contacts, all the people we've selected, and it will add them to this workflow email sequence. And in this case, it will add them right now, right away, all at once. I'm not going to click Add to Automation because these are a bunch of fake emails. I don't want the system sending out email to fake emails, which will get flagged as spam from my side. So let's just ignore that. I'm going to click Cancel. But once you add them all to the automation, you can then go to the bulk actions here at the top, and you will see here the status of that bulk action. So as you can see, I already tested this out, and I had a bulk action that was called Add Contacts to Email Sequence. It was a bulk workflow, and as you can see, the status is complete. So everyone went into that workflow. It worked just fine. It shows who did it, when it was completed, et cetera, et cetera. So you can see all about it here. And if there was any issue, if the status is incomplete, or if there was some kind of error dealing with this bulk action, the system will tell you so you can take a look and hopefully fix the problem if there is any. But as I said, super, super easy. Just come to your contacts after you've created the email sequence, of course, to select whoever you want to do, whoever you want to add to that email sequence. Click this robot icon up here, and you're ready to go. So again, this is super great for if you have an upcoming product launch or an upcoming sale and you want to get people excited for it, then you can pre-create a whole series of emails and even pre-schedule it for a specific time frame, and then just sit back and let the system do the rest. If you have any questions about how to handle this, how to create these automations and add your contacts into them manually, as we've just shown in this video, just reach out to the support team. They'll be happy to help. And otherwise, we will see you in the next tutorial video.